where shadows hide. A tale is whispered low of a bird whose heart did cry through the night's cold silent glow. In a thorn bush she did rest, with a song that no one heard. From her soul, from her chest, human eyes could not see the bird. Oh, thorn bird sings with a voice that aches. Oh, thorn bird brings a heartbreak it makes. Her tears fell with the rain on feathers wet and cold, a melody of pain in whispers soft and old. She waited through the night as stars began to flee. In the first moon's light bright, her last song was played. And the story of her heart is a sadness bittersweet. Though so very far apart, her song we can repeat. Oh, thorn bird sings with a voice that aches. Oh, thorn bird breathes a heartbreak it makes. Her tears fell with the rain on feathers wet and cold, a melody of pain in whispers soft and low. She waited through the night on feathers wet and cold, a melody of pain, a heartbreak it makes. Her tears fell with the rain on feathers wet and cold, a melody of pain in whispers soft and low.